My debut in the South was with a film called Country, which won a national award. So, actually process था हिंदी फिल्म के लिए, audition and look test and all of that.
Yeah.
But वो हिंदी फिल्म नहीं हुई, पर उसके बाद वाली फिल्म हो गई जो तेलुगु में थी. तो
Yeah.
मैं कभी भी बहुत ज्यादा impatient नहीं हुई.
She's a popular Telugu actress and a fashion icon. And today she's here with us to get candid and talk about her journey in showbiz. Welcome, Pragya, to Spotboy. How are you?
Hi, I'm very, very good. How are you?
I'm doing well here. So, you started your career in 2014. This year will mark 7 years of it. So, how has those
Oh my
7 years
God.
been for you?
Shit, that just made me realize it's been a long time. Damn.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll tell you very honestly, I don't think I realized that I've been around for 7 years because I still feel like a new person and I'm still kind of working very, very hard to, you know, get to the right place to be able to achieve my dreams. And it feels like this is just the beginning. But
Yeah.
yes, the last seven, oh my God, 7 years. Damn. Last 7 years have been really amazing. I'm living my dream. My debut in the South was with a film called Country, which won a national award. So,
Yeah.
debuting with a film like that was just encouraging because that just made me realize, okay, I am doing the right thing because I did change careers before and I did attempt a couple of things before. So when
Yeah.
you get recognition and you get validation, you feel like, acha, theek hai, yaar, this decision was correct. So the journey started like that, which was encouraging, which is a great thing because your family also gets convinced कि हाँ ठीक है,
Yeah.
अगर इसने लॉ नहीं किया, ये एक्टिंग करना चाह रही तो ठीक, कुछ सही कर रही है लड़की,
Yeah.
you know. So ऐसे स्टार्ट हुआ था. फिर उसके बाद तो द जर्नी जस्ट वेंट ऑन एंड ऑल फॉर सम टाइम इन ऑटो पायलट. और अभी मतलब मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि जर्नी एक नया एंगल लेने वाली है जिसके बारे में हम बहुत जल्दी बात करेंगे. आई थिंक आई टेल यू मोर अबाउट इट व्हेन द टाइम इज राइट.
Yeah.
तो अभी भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि फ्रेश स्टार्ट है, स्पेशली कोरोना जो फर्स्ट वेव हुई थी उसके बाद मुझे तो ऐसा लगा कि अब दुनिया सुधर गई है, अब तो कुछ अलग ही होने वाला है. सो आई थॉट दैट्स अ न्यू
Yeah.
fresh start again because I signed two big films and all. तो
Yeah.
अब देखते हैं अब आगे क्या होता है क्योंकि अभी फिर हम सेकेंड वेव में आ गए हैं और फिर से काम रुक गया है. बट या
Yeah.
होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट.
True, true. So you said that you were doing law, and correct me if I'm wrong, there were no film connections in your family as well. So how did you got engrossed and interested in this industry?
I don't really know how to answer this because even when I look back, I am not sure how this happened, but I feel like it was a very organic thing which just happened on its own. मैं जब लॉ स्कूल में थी तो मैं मॉडलिंग किया करती थी, थोड़ी थोड़ी पार्ट टाइम जस्ट पॉकेट मनी के लिए. पूना में रहते थे तो मॉडलिंग वाज एन ऑप्शन. तो मॉडलिंग की कुछ टाइम एंड देन मॉडलिंग के बाद एक नेचुरल प्रोग्रेशन था एक्टिंग में शिफ्ट करने का. So that is how it happened. But from law to modeling was just something I didn't think much about because I was getting some ads and all that while I was studying in college. मैं side में वो करती थी.
Yeah.
But after finishing law school, I realized कि नहीं, this is not where my heart is. So I want to do modeling and I want to take that more seriously and pursue that as a profession. So I think that's how it all started. And then I just didn't look back.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So you were from MP, you studied in Pune. That means like you must be more well versed in Hindi. That must be your go-to
हाँ,
language.
मतलब बहुत अच्छे से हिंदी बोलती हूँ मैं.
Yeah. So when you started with a Tamil and a Telugu film, how difficult was it to adapt yourself in a language that you were not familiar with before?
So basically, I mean, अब मुझे language barrier बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगता है. But starting में yes, it was difficult. It was a bit of a challenge क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि आपका हार्ड वर्क ये रहता है कि आप अपने रोल के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हो, आप लाइंस कैसे डिलीवर करते हो, यू लर्न योर लाइंस एंड ऑल, जो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम है एक एक्टर के लिए. बट साउथ में जाके क्या था कि आप लाइंस तो लर्न कर रहे हो, वो एक अलग काम है, पर वो लाइंस दूसरी लैंग्वेज में है. तो पहले वो लैंग्वेज का मीनिंग समझो वो लाइंस का और फिर उनको लर्न करो. सो द वर्क इज डबल. तो शुरुआत में थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग था. आई हैड टू पुट इन डबल द एफर्ट. working in that industry. But I think slowly I got the hang of the language. I just
Hmm.
became more comfortable, and now it's the same. Now, if you give me a line in Telugu, give me a line in Hindi, it's
Hmm.
thoda sa more difficult, but still not that difficult as it used to be. So,
Yeah.
dheere se it just got better.
Yeah. So, since Hindi is your first language, for any person who has the like one language as their first one, they would prefer to debut in that if they're coming in acting. So, was it a chance encounter that you stumbled into Telugu or Tamil, or was it like a calculated decision?
uh, Actually, मतलब I don't even know. मैं actually हिंदी की फिल्म के लिए try कर रही थी. I had
Hmm.
auditioned for a film which was directed by which was a Hindi film directed by the
Hmm.
South Indian director. तो
Okay.
वो film में somehow it didn't work out. I was
Hmm.
almost shortlisted, almost finalized,
Uh,
and then last minute they're like, "Arey, we don't want to go with a fresh face like a new girl. We want to go with an established face."
oh.
And they took like an established actor.
Hmm.
Eventually कई बार होते हैं marketing and all of
Hmm.
that के लिए they need a bigger name and all that.
Yeah.
तो ऐसे हुआ था मेरे साथ एंड आई वाज
Yeah.
रियली होपफुल कि ओके ये तो हो ही रहा है हो ही रहा है हो ही रहा है हो ही रहा है एंड देन इट डिडंट हैपन
Yeah.
but the same director later offered me the film in Telugu that he was doing next after that film.
Hmm.
So that is how it happened. So actually process था हिंदी फिल्म के लिए
Oh.
ऑडिशन एंड लुक टेस्ट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट
Yeah.
बट वो हिंदी फिल्म नहीं हुई पर उसके बाद वाली फिल्म हो गई जो
Hmm.
तेलुगु में थी. सो अब
Yeah.
एक बार वहां पे हो गई लाइक लॉन्च तो
Hmm.
एंड द फिल्म डिड वेल एंड आई
Hmm.
गॉट नेम एंड रिकॉग्निशन एंड एवरीथिंग. उसके बाद क्या हो गया कि वहां की फिल्म्स आने लगी.
Hmm.
सो दैट इज हाउ इट हैपेंड लाइक
Okay.
बहुत ज्यादा कैलकुलेटेड मूव नहीं था पर जब
हाँ.
आया तो मैंने सोचा ओके बेस्ट तो यही है कि नाउ यू आर
हाँ.
गेटिंग सच अ बिग प्लेटफॉर्म यू आर गेटिंग अ
Hmm.
गुड लॉन्च इवन इन द साउथ दैट्स आल्सो ग्रेट.
Yeah.
It's also a great opportunity for a person like me. I don't really come
Hmm.
from a film background, so I was like, let's just make the most of the opportunity you get, and
Hmm.
when the time is right, I will get an opportunity hopefully in Hindi as well. So
Yeah.
yeah, that is the plan when I started.
Yeah. So, like earlier, you had mentioned, like COVID has kind of stopped work now, and you are still consider yourself as a fresh talent, and you are. It's just been 7 years. 7 years, not a long time in this. So,
I hope so, man.
yeah. So in this initial phase of your career, going through a pandemic that has kind of halted your career, how difficult does it get? Because you are in the process of just making a mark for yourself. And when such a big break comes in between, and we are in an industry that kind of deals with what is visible that sells. So how
नो
challenging?
यार राकेश आई काइंड ऑफ डिसएग्री विथ यू ऑन दिस कि मतलब ये इतना बड़ा ब्रेक नहीं है. मतलब आई थिंक दिस ब्रेक वाज द बेस्ट काइंड ऑफ ब्रेक एनीबॉडी ऑफ
Hmm.
अस. आई तो फील लाइक एटलीस्ट स्पेशली लास्ट ईयर वाज अ great opportunity to introspect and learn more about yourself and just pull back a little bit so you can
Hmm.
come back stronger. For
Yeah.
me, I think that time was so good because I actually learned so much about myself personally,
Hmm.
professionally. I just became a better person and a better professional. I don't know,
Hmm.
something in me just changed, and I felt like the pandemic really helped with that.
Okay.
Though the second wave is obviously not pleasant at all. Last year
Hmm.
हमने कभी इतने केसेस नहीं सुने थे. जो भी केसेस हम सुनते थे वो घर में ही ठीक हो जाते थे लोग,
Yeah.
एंड इट वाज अ लॉट इजियर. और बहुत सारे लोग नहीं थे फिर भी ऐसे सुनाई में देता, अच्छा फ्रेंड की बहन, लाइक
Hmm.
कजिन का दोस्त, लाइक इट
Yeah.
वाजंट सो क्लोज. अभी क्या हो गया है कि अभी every other person
Hmm.
is getting affected. तो इस बार तो थोड़ा खराब है. But I don't think it is an obstruction or a hurdle in
Hmm.
the path of my career. क्योंकि 7-8 एक वीक या 10 दिन पहले तक तो मैं शूट कर रही थी.
Hmm.
And I'm hoping ki things will get better very, very soon. I am hopeful. And that is how we all should just be. There's the only thing that we have to do now is have faith and be hopeful for a better tomorrow. Because I know it is
Hmm.
coming. तो ऐसे कोई hurdle obstruction नहीं आया है.
Yeah.
10 दिन 15 दिन 1 महीने हम शूट नहीं करेंगे तो करियर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होने वाला है. It's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, that's
As
good. That's
long as
good.
you stay healthy, you take care of yourself. क्योंकि अभी के टाइम पे हम अपने करियर के बारे में सोचे कि
Hmm.
मतलब पूरे देश के बारे में सोचे. इट्स सो सेल्फिश टू इवन थिंक कि मतलब मैं
Yeah.
शूट नहीं कर रही हूँ यार.
Hmm.
मतलब नो, इट्स फाइन. आई
Yeah.
मीन वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द लार्जर गुड ऑफ
Hmm.
एवरीवन. क्योंकि हम शूट भी कर रहे थे तो वी वर ट्राइंग टू बी एक्सट्रीमली सेफ They created a safe environment for us, testing everyone every 3-4 days and just sanitizing everything, everyone in PPE kits and masks and this and that.
Hmm.
तो अब तो लाइफ थोड़ी बदल गई है, पर मुझे मालूम है कि काम जल्दी शुरू होगा.
Yeah.
And a few days, weeks, or even a month's gap should hopefully not affect the work or career too
Hmm.
much.
Yeah. So, like you said, you learned a lot during this pandemic. So, any specific skills that you worked on yourself?
लास्ट ईयर तो मतलब मेरी तो पूरी लाइफ का क्रैश कोर्स हो गया था. मतलब आई वाज लाइक चलो रेडी, अब बताओ क्या करना है लाइफ में. मतलब ऐसा बहुत कम चीजें थी जो एक इंसान को जो आनी चाहिए, जो अब हमें नहीं आती. लास्ट ईयर के
Yeah.
पेंडेमिक में हमने सब सीख लिया. सब लोगों ने झाड़ू लगाई, पोछा लगाया, बर्तन धोए, कपड़े धोए.
Yeah.
We all learned cooking. I learned baking. I was never into all of these things at all. मैं किचन में कभी एंटर ही नहीं करती थी. मतलब थोड़ी सी इस मामले में मैं बहुत ही I'm not very proud of myself. I didn't know how to cook anything really, but now I can cook a full meal. अब मैं केक्स बेक करने लगी थी. मैंने लास्ट ईयर एक यूट्यूब चैनल बनाया था बेकिंग के लिए. मतलब मैं प्रॉपर बेकिंग वीडियोस बना के पोस्ट कर रही थी. तो आई थिंक अगर आप एक स्किल पूछो तो वो होगा बेकिंग. उसके अलावा तो जनरल स्किल्स. स्पेशल स्किल जो मैंने लास्ट ईयर में सीखा है वो था बेकिंग. And I was baking bomb cakes, like really good cakes and different types, and sending to friends. मतलब ये अलग लेवल का कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया था कि ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ मैं ही खा पा रही हूँ, मैं लोगों को भी भेज रही हूँ. So that I did last time.
So, like your social media kind of gloats about how you are into fitness, how you keep yourself up to date with everything, and so how did COVID kind of affected your lifestyle in that way? Your routine, workout, regimen, everything.
एक्चुअली कोविड जब लास्ट ईयर जब पैंडेमिक आया था तो बहुत ही न्यू था हम सबके लिए. इट वाज समथिंग वेरी वेरी न्यू, समथिंग वी हैव नेवर सीन और हर्ड बिफोर. मुझे मालूम है कि पहले भी कई बार, कई सालों पहले कई एपिडेमिक्स हुए हैं, बट हमारी जनरेशन में हमने पहले कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया. वी डिडंट रियली हियर ऑफ दीज थिंग्स टू मच क्योंकि यू आर सो बिजी इन योर रेगुलर लाइफ, यू नो. जब ये फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ था तो पहले तो I was just like confused but also excited to explore कि अब ये हम क्या करेंगे, like how do we deal with it. So I think I went through a few phases. शुरुआत में पेंडेमिक के मेरी लाइफस्टाइल इस तरीके से इफेक्ट हुई थी कि मैं सोचती थी कि अब तो ये पेंडेमिक तो आई एम गोइंग टू बिकम लाइक मैं तो एब्स वैब्स आ जाएंगी इसके बाद मेरी. मतलब फुल ऑन आई एम गोइंग टू बी सो डिसिप्लिन्ड. यू सी गॉड हैज गिवन मी दिस फ्री टाइम टू वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ. आई एम गोना कम आउट ऑफ दिस पेंडेमिक एज द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ. मतलब ऐसे सोच के मैंने लिया था. तो मेरी लाइफस्टाइल और एक्टिविटीज इसी टाइप के होते थे. सुबह उठ के मतलब मैं ट्रेनर से फोन पे बात करती थी, वो मुझे वर्कआउट भेजता था, सुबह वर्कआउट करती थी. कई कई दिनों में शाम में भी वर्कआउट किया है मैंने. ओके, सो आई वाज तो फुल मोटिवेटेड लाइक दैट. बट धीरे धीरे मोटिवेशन कम होती गई, यू नो, बिकॉज घर के काम बढ़ गए. तो मोटिवेशन थोड़ी, हाँ, तो मतलब उसमें आधा वर्कआउट होने लगा. चलो कोई नहीं, कल कर लेंगे. ऐसे थोड़ा मुश्किल हो गया था थोड़े टाइम के बाद. So I too really went through a major lifestyle change, like starting from March, April when I was working out twice a day to June, July, August when I was fully baking and eating cakes all day. So मतलब मेरे साथ तो मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आता क्या हुआ था. So I went through a lot of phases and lifestyle changed literally every month. One month my focus was something, next month it was something, next month it was something else. But I did a bunch of like a few courses and I learned a few things. So for me, I think I really enjoyed the last year, 2020. It was a great learning lesson and yeah, I think it just prepared me for life.
Okay. So another thing that your social media is kind of a proof of is how you have been like a fashion icon. So who is your fashion inspiration when it comes to?
मेरी एक कोई फैशन इंस्पिरेशन तो नहीं है, but I get inspired by a lot of Hollywood celebs. Like
Hmm.
it depends. Like I really like Kendall Jenner.
Hmm.
I love the way she styles herself, so effortless and so cool.
Hmm.
Kendall Jenner is amazing. Bella Hadid is amazing. Kendall Jenner, Bella Hadid, और अभी मेरा latest obsession है Dua Lipa. She's a singer.
Oh.
That
Yeah,
was
yeah,
song is
yeah.
there na
Levitating.
Levitating. I love
Yeah.
Dua Lipa. So I mean, it just keeps changing. But my currently I'm obsessed with Dua Lipa and also Hailey Bieber. So yeah,
Oh,
these two
yeah.
are so I love these two girls. I think they
Hmm.
dress so well. So I think I look up to these two for now. I think last year it was Kendall and Bella. Now it's Dua and Haley.
Really, yeah.
So
So
yeah, these two.
when you're styling yourself or when you're choosing an outfit, what is it that you look for and go for in your mindset that makes you feel better, makes you feel fashionable?
So it really depends on what kind of an event or occasion it is.
Hmm.
If it is, say, for example, red carpet,
Hmm.
then it's just about how beautiful or how stunning or how gorgeous the outfit looks on me, even if I'm dying, even if
Yeah.
it's super uncomfortable. See,
Yeah.
for those type of occasions, you will be okay with that little discomfort because what looks nice to the eyes is important. Okay.
Hmm.
So on those occasions, it's just about how glamorous and how
Hmm.
stunning you're looking. But when it comes to anything other than that,
Hmm.
other than a very, very formal, big event,
Hmm.
definitely comfort over everything. It has to be comfortable. It has to be. I go for things that fit me really well,
Hmm.
and the colors that suit me. I'm big on colors. I love to
Hmm.
wear beautiful, bright colors because I think bright colors really lift up my mood.
Yeah.
So I love to wear like nice colors. I like clothes to be fitted because then they are really
Hmm.
comfortable for me.
Yeah.
So normal occasions, all these things, comfort,
Hmm.
color, and fit.
Yeah.
But if it's a red carpet, then I
Yeah.
can
Go
die
all
out of
out.
discomfort, but it
Yeah.
has to look stunning.
Yeah.
So
Go all
that's
out.
that's how I plan. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Okay. So
Absolutely.
while I was looking up about you on the internet, I found that you did a Hindi film called T2 MBA in some time ago, but it has been a
Yes.
while since then. So, what has kept you away from Hindi films for all this
I think destiny, man. I'll just be honest with you. मुझे ऐसे लगता है
while?
कि जब हर चीज का एक सही टाइम होता है, whenever
Hmm.
the universe thinks you are ready for it, it will come to you. तो
Yeah.
मैं कभी भी बहुत ज्यादा impatient नहीं हुई. मेरे
Hmm.
पास हर टाइम काम था. I was shooting for films in the south, and I was
Yeah.
trying for films in Hindi as well.
Hmm.
तो अब जब सही टाइम पे है तो कुछ अच्छी
Hmm.
चीजें हो रही हैं लाइफ में. तो
Hmm.
अब let's just wait and watch. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope
Yeah.
that things get better soon so I can talk about what I want to talk about.
Yeah.
So yeah. तो
Yeah.
मतलब ऐसा कोई मैंने बहुत ही कैलकुलेटेड मूव नहीं था कि मुझे अभी हिंदी नहीं करना है या
Hmm.
मैं करना चाह रही हूँ मिल नहीं रही. मैं ट्राई कर रही थी बट आई न्यू व्हेन द राइट प्रोजेक्ट इज देयर इट विल जस्ट कम टू मी एंड दैट्स हाउ
Hmm.
इट हैज हैपेंड. सो या
Yeah. So there's a big project that you are coming with in South, BB3.
यस
So what can you tell us
यस.
about that film?
So my current film in the south is called अखंड. BB3 हमारा वर्किंग टाइटल था क्योंकि वहां
Okay.
पर बहुत जल्दी टाइटल डिसाइड नहीं किया था
Hmm.
हमारी मूवी की टीम ने.
Yeah.
सो पहले नाम नहीं था तो हम उसको 6 महीने से BB3 बुला रहे थे. अब मुझे भी कोई बोलता है ना मूवी के नाम से तो मैं एक सेकंड में ओ अच्छा ओके.
Okay.
If they say अखंड and I'm just like हाँ okay oh. So anyway
Yeah.
हम साउथ में I'm doing a film called अखंड.
Hmm.
Akhanda means indestructible.
Hmm.
So that's the title of our film. It's a very powerful
Hmm.
title because it is apt for a film which we are doing. It is an action movie.
Hmm.
The hero of the film is Balakrishna Sir. He is amazing. He has done about 106 or 107 films,
Yeah.
with people of so much experience and that stature. I mean, it's just a great experience working with them every day.
Hmm.
There is so much to learn. Matlab, they come on set every day like it's their first day of shoot. Matlab, so childlike, so passionate, so hardworking,
Hmm.
so punctual. Like, I am just sitting and watching every day, and I'm learning so much. So he is a great co-actor to work with. The director of our film is called Boyapati sir. Boyapati sir is the he is the king of action movies in
Hmm.
the South. Like, he has done some of the blockbuster action movies.
Hmm.
So this is their third collaboration, Boyapati sir and Balakrishna sir, which is why it's called BB3, Balakrishna Boyapati 3. So that
Okay.
is how the title came.
Yeah.
So that is why it was called BB3 for the longest time. But
Okay.
they realized that कितने टाइम तक इसको BB3
Yeah.
बुलाएंगे, अब तो नाम देना पड़ेगा. So yeah, so that's about a film. I will
Hmm.
tell you more about me and my character as soon as I can tell you
Yeah.
about
I
it.
understand.
पर
Yeah.
अभी तो मैंने बता दिया, एक्शन फिल्म है, दो
Yeah.
बहुत ही बड़े बड़े लोगों के साथ है.
Hmm.
And I think it's going to be amazing. I cannot wait for people to sit in the theater
Hmm.
for the first day, first show, क्योंकि वो वैसी टाइप की फिल्म है कि मतलब it
Hmm.
will just, it's going to be amazing to
Yeah.
watch in the theater.
Okay.
It's like a big scale film. So मतलब it's going to be a lot of fun. मुझे भी थिएटर में जाना है फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो, पर देखो कब
Yeah.
थिएटर खुलते हैं.
Yeah. पहले तो वही है कि कब खुलते हैं.
Theater कब खुलेंगे.
Yeah.
But yeah, whenever they open, man, it'll be like, can't wait to get back on set.
Yeah. So there have been reports about a Hindi film that you are doing. I won't mention it, but if you can say anything about it, what can you tell us? If
um, so I don't even know what to say. um, एक फिल्म मैंने अभी शूट की है कुछ टाइम पहले. We will I think there is an official announcement awaited. So
Mhm.
I will tell you about it when
Mhm.
things are official and when the
Yeah,
time is right. But बहुत ही exciting news है. So just like hold
yeah,
on for a little more time. Just
yeah,
wait it out and I will tell you what it is.
yeah,
Very exciting news.
yeah. So have you signed any more Hindi films? Have there been any more offers from the Hindi film industry yet?
There are a couple of projects more that I am in
Mhm.
talks with, which are also equally exciting. So,
Mhm.
just waiting for things to get better
Yeah.
so that we can move on with the work life
Mhm.
as well. अभी तो क्या है कि it's like सब थोड़े से stuck हो गए हैं कुछ time के लिए
Mhm.
till the work moves, till the nation moves, till everyone feels better and things are safer. अभी
Yeah.
तो सबकी safety ज्यादा important है.
Mhm.
So जान है तो जहान है. अभी तो जान का ही
True,
ख्याल
true,
रखना है.
true.
तो बस अब जैसी थिंग्स थोड़ी बेटर होंगी, सो लेट्स होप
Mhm.
प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट होंगे एंड देन आई विल टेल यू मोर अबाउट द अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स एज वेल.
Yeah.
So
So,
yeah.
if you have to give a priority list of your wish list of actors that you want to work with
Oh wow.
in Hindi films, who would that be?
ऐसी प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट तो कोई है नहीं, बट देर आर ऑब्वियसली क्वाइट अ फ्यू एक्टर्स दैट आई एब्सोल्युटली रियली वांट टू वर्क विद.
Hmm.
I really want to work with Ranveer Singh because I think he is a bundle of energy. He is
Yeah.
just so talented. Like, I
Hmm.
feel like it will be such an amazing experience working with him. I want to work with Ranbir Kapoor. I want to
Hmm.
work with Hrithik Roshan. I want to work with Varun Dhawan.
Hmm.
Wow. बहुत लंबी list है. I want to
Yeah.
work with everyone. But yeah, these are my top four.
And all these
आपके
will
ऊपर
make
और
a
किधर?
great pairing.
Right?
Yeah.
I also want to work with, no, shut up. No, nothing.
Okay, okay. We'll say
I'm
shut
like, because
about
the
it.
list is really long,
Yeah.
right? Then I'll just go on and on. So I've just told
Yeah.
you top four.
Yeah. So, and any the directors that you want to work with first?
I want to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali, sir. That is
Hmm.
my, like, my dream. That's been my dream for so many years. I think I'm really into periodic
Hmm.
films. I'm really into these historical,
Yeah.
big scale,
Hmm.
epic kind of movies. So I am
Hmm.
fascinated by his work, his art, his storytelling, everything. So Sanjay Leela Bhansali definitely has to be number one.
Hmm.
Really wanted to work with Imtiaz as well. So Imtiaz Ali sir.
Hmm.
Oh my God, there's so many people I want to work with. Kabir sir, Kabir Khan.
Hmm.
I want to work with who else? Nitesh Tiwari sir.
Yeah.
So these four. Wow, I
Yeah.
have four
Yeah, yeah,
people
four
in every
each.
list. Love
Four
it.
each, yeah. So let's manifest it
Four
right now,
each.
and hopefully soon you'll get the
Oh
chance.
God.
Let's manifest it. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. But
that's the plan. Wow, amazing.
yeah, but Pragya, it has been a pleasure talking to you. And
What a pleasure talking to you too as well.
wish you all the best for the next and every other project that you do from now on.
Thank you so much. Thank
Can't
you
wait to
so,
see
so
you
much.
make a mark.
Lovely, lovely chatting with you as well. Thank you so much for
Thank you
having
so
me.
much. Yeah. Can't wait to see you make
Thank
a mark in
you.
Hindi films as well. And yeah.